All right, what's going on, friends? In this video, me and my buddy Patrick here are going to review this electric dartboard. This dartboard has 17 signature lightning games, 48 games with 315 variations, 4 different volume levels. You can play 8 different players, and I guess all these little spots light up. It does come with 6 different darts. It comes with 50 extra tips in case you end up breaking some, and you can plug this dartboard in or you can use batteries. All right, let's open this up and maybe I'll play a game of cricket with my buddy Patrick here. What we got here? This is the plug. I don't need that.
Instructions.
Oh, wow.
Do you have to fold them?
Darts are pretty nice.
Yeah, they're metal.
Because I already have an electric dartboard, so so far I like the darts because they're actually metal, and then they have like the plastic tips, so that's nice. So we'll put them together. And I'm gonna try to hook this on my wall. I'm just gonna plug it in. I'm not gonna use the batteries. Let me get this set up and me and Patrick will try this out. All right, if you do end up buying this dartboard, it says in the manual to go 190.5 centimeters where you'd end up putting your first screw to mount this on the wall. Well, that is the same as 75 inches. 2 screws you gotta put in the wall that's gonna hook this to the dartboard to the wall. And them holes are 13 and 9/16 of an inch apart. So I measured up all the way up here to 75 inches. Then I measured down 13 and 9/16. And I am going to take a level just to make sure these are straight. Right there. There we go. Got it. Let's plug it in, see what happens. Woo!
Woohoo!
That's exciting. All right, let's see if I can figure out how to get it on Cricket without even reading the directions. I need G13.
Cricket. Right there.
Oh, there we go. G13. Enter. Oh, player, there you go. 1 player, 2 player.
Player 1, throw darts.
Haha, that wasn't that hard. All right, try it out. Now don't miss. You remember how to play?
I don't know.
Oh,
I miss.
hey.
15.
I don't
No,
know.
you got 2 15s.
Oh, okay.
Did you hit it the third time? Or did you miss?
Oh, I missed.
Okay, then,
Take it out.
Player 2,
Okay.
throw darts.
it says in the manual to be from the wall to your toe or heel line, 96 inches. Whatever you want to call this, your heel or toe line. I like putting my heel on this. All right, so here we go.
Next player, Dad.
Oh, next player.
Player 1, throw darts.
That's you.
17.
Yes.
Miss. Next player, remove darts.
Oh, I got some of
Do
your.
my darts.
I did.
Player 2, throw darts.
These are the darts that come with it. They're pretty nice darts, really.
19.
What the heck?
16.
What the heck?
Miss. Next player, remove darts.
I'll get these out of there.
Too easy. Too easy.
Too easy. It sounds like my other one.
Double. 17.
There we go, baby.
Triple. 17.
Oh, there we go.
Score.
Now I got 34 points.
Miss.
Ah.
Player, remove dart. Double. 17.
Oh, yeah. Tough guy.
Miss. Miss. Next.
One thing I found out is if you grab this and you turn it clockwise and pull at the same time, they come out a lot easier.
You don't have to just turn it clockwise. You can do it both.
No, if you do it the other way, your tip will come off.
Throw darts.
Oh, really?
We did notice that it does automatically switch if you wait long enough.
Triple. 15.
That's what I'm talking about.
What?
Right there, baby.
What?
Player 1, throw darts.
You got 32 points. You got a ways to go to catch me.
15, close.
There you go.
20. Close.
Dang.
Miss. Next player. Remove darts.
Too easy. So I need to aim for bullseye. And then I win.
We hit 2 17s. I guess that means miss because it's already knocked out. Oh, I see. When there's an X in a circle,
Player 2. Throw darts.
when there's an X in a circle, Patrick, that means I can get points on that.
That's what I've been saying.
Oh, yeah, that's what you've been saying.
That's what I
The only other one I have to do to knock out to win would be 16. Oh, 16 and 18. Yeah,
I tried saying that to you a few times.
I didn't listen.
Yeah, I know. I can tell.
I didn't listen. Am I player 2? Right? Yeah. So I got to hit 16 and then 18 and I win.
18. Open. Score. Triple. 16.
I win. Look at that.
Winner.
There is a cricket on here that you can just clear all of them and there's no points at all. All right, this keeps score a little bit different than my other cricket game. When there's a circle and an X, that means I can get points on that one if you've ever played cricket. So I could have been getting points on 18 and the bullseye. All right, that's it. I ended up beating my boy in darts, and I'd have to say if I'm gonna rate this from a 1 to a 10, I'd probably give it between a 7 and 8. Now, if you want to get a lot nicer dartboard, you're probably going to spend a lot more money. All right, well, thanks for watching my video. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. God bless and have a great day.